In Philadelphia, we've seen this issue where somebody uses a funeral home, they call us, the thing that happened is horrible. We search the docket and the judgments for that funeral home and that individual, and they already owe the IRS $500,000, and they already owe some other people hundreds of thousands of dollars for cases that they've already lost. And so we're not going to sue them. We're not going to, especially on a contingency, right? Because a lot of lawyers on these kinds of cases, they work on a percentage of what you're going to recover. And so we're just not going to take that case on, because then we know that even if we win, we won't get paid, right? And so, it dissuades lawyers, for better or worse. I mean, that might be a horrible thing to say, but lawyers don't want to put in their time and effort and work into a case where they're not going to get anything. So when you're looking at these funeral home cases, you're looking at, will this funeral home have insurance for this? And you're looking at whether or not this person is going to be what we call judgment proof, because, somebody that already owes $500,000 to somebody, or multitude of people, what's another 50, 100, 200 grand?
Right, but they can't pay it anyway. And
they're not paying it.
And I agree with you. I know you said like that might sound horrible that an attorney's not going to take that job, but the reality is that that's your work, right? For the person that has sustained damages, that has gone through this horrific situation, on their end, you're just telling them the news that they're going to find out anyway, which is you can't recover because we didn't do our due diligence up front to make sure that this is a sustained business that's following best practices.